Let's talk about the features and benefits of this UV security doorbell camera. I just love this camera. I had it for about a year now with no problems. The best thing about this camera is I love the no additional cost, no monthly fees. It was very easy to install. The alerts comes very quickly. The chime, you have different chimes available. You can sync this with Alexa and Google Assistant. The motion detection is very quick and responsive. I can speak to anybody that's in front of my door, crisp and clear. I highly recommend this camera. I've been using it for over a year. I'm very satisfied.